and his opponent in the red corner, Michael Salazar!
What do we have here? We have the job of walking here in the house.
Round 1.
Good evening, Dynasty Fight Club. This is our last fight for the slap battle. I'm actually weirded out what's going on here. This is the first time that I have seen the fighter in the slap battle that have a mask. Hey, it's not allowed here. You need to be slapped bare naked. Now, not with the mask, dude. Alright, I'm really curious. Just wanna ask, what's with the gimmick? Bakit may maskara ka?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Yusuf Sarah. Good evening. And you, are you ready to lay it down in the door? In my hand. Are you ready to die? I hate you, motherfucker! I hate them! I hate rock! I hate them like you! Ready? We out of there! Your brother! In the ground! Evil! Are you ready to die?
I'm actually scared right now. What's going on here? Are you a priest? Or are you Undertaker? Let's ask your opponent. What can you say to your opponent? Yo, I will kill you in your face and my scalp. Alright, can you please remove your mask? We want to see your pretty face if it's even pretty.
Alright, I will show you in my face right now.
What the hell are you doing here? Motherfucker! Wow, I thought I've seen Prince Charming, but I think I've seen Shrek. Alright! Rock, paper, scissors first! Your first match is rock, paper, scissors. Let's go! Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's get it on! Sampana na! comes the thunder. Not bad, but you really have to slap hard. Now that's a slap! Make sure you slap hard! He just slapped you really, really hard. That's it.
Round 2.
This is our second round for the slap battle. Guys, I want to see some knockout. I want to see some blood. Let's go! Wow, that's good. Crunchy. I can see blood. I like it. Oh yeah. I like it. Nice. You're good. Not bad, but it's better than the previous round.
Round 3.
Alright, last round, but before we start our last round, let's do some interview with Undertaker. What will you say to your opponent on this last round?
You slap like a mosquito!
Oh, he's aiming for a KO. What's your response? Will you KO him first, or you will be the KO one?
Nice game.
All right, let's go. by seeing one of you get knocked out. Let's go! Alright, this will be your redemption because I remember last week you got knocked out. So redemption is now, okay? Let's go! Malakas! Not bad! Give it up to our last battle, slap battle! But who is the winner?
Winner in the red corner, Michael Salazar.
There you have it, our last fight of the slap battle. But we have an announcement. This coming Wednesday, we